Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and uninstall the NumPy library in Python step by step. Whether you're just starting with Python or just cleaning things up, this is going to be super helpful. First, let's install NumPy. Press Windows plus R, the pop will open. In that, type cmd and hit enter. This will open the command window. Now, type the following command: pip install NumPy. Press enter. If you see this type of error, you have to check your internet connection. This will solve your problem. And retype this code. Then wait for a few seconds while it installs. Done! NumPy is now installed. Let's quickly check if NumPy is working or not. Open any Python environment. It could be Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, or even idle. Now type this code. If you don't see any error and get an output, then congratulations! NumPy is working perfectly on your system. Now, let's see how to uninstall NumPy. Again, press Windows plus R, the pop will open. In that, type cmd command window will open. If you want to check your Python and pip version, type Python -- version. You can see your Python version. Next, type pip -- version. You can see your pip version. Now, to view all the installed libraries, type pip list. You can see all the installed libraries. In that, C for NumPy library. To uninstall it, simply type pip uninstall NumPy. Press enter. Then type Y to confirm that you have to uninstall NumPy library. And that's it. NumPy is now removed from your system. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.